In a cozy house where the sunshine gleams lived Tom the cat with big bold dreams, and Jerry the mouse so small and quick, a clever little fellow with a playful trick. Tom would stretch and yawn all day, then spot little Jerry sneaking his way. "Gotcha this time," Tom would say, but Jerry would laugh and dash away. Through the kitchen, across the floor, past the table and out the door, over the sofa, under a chair, with Tom in pursuit everywhere. Jerry would giggle, "You're too slow," as he slipped through a tiny hole. Tom would slide and bump his head, then chase again with cheeks so red. One day Jerry found some cheese, a yummy treat that was sure to please. Tom crept softly, quiet and slow. "Now I'll catch him," he whispered low. But Jerry winked and set a trap. A rolling pin went clap, clap, clap. Tom got dizzy, stars in sight, while Jerry danced with pure delight. Still they played from day to night, their funny fights a joyful sight. Though they chased and raced around, friendship in their hearts was found. When the moon lit up the sky and stars began to twinkle high, Tom and Jerry side by side would rest their paws, no need to hide. For deep inside, though wild and merry, Tom loved life with little Jerry. And Jerry too, though small and spry, liked Tom more than he'd deny. So if you hear a crash or cheer, you'll know those two are always near, chasing, laughing, full of glee, best of friends as friends can be.